it's good to be jogging because the sun is good down and it's not hot. There's no sun, so it's really it's nature here at a Rizal Park. So we are here, and there's a lot of people also was doing jogging here. So it's nature, guys. The big trees, flowers. There's a lot of. This is the big park here in Manila. Okay, this is our flag, Philippine flags. There's a lot of buildings. You see. So this one here is what we call is Rizal Park or a Luneta Park. They love to do jogging here or they're walking. You see, so there's a lot of people here. Yeah, today it was a Labor Day anyway. So it's no a office.
Kape tayo.
Sorry. Sorry. Nasa Philippine flag from up there. Sabi ko mamaya. Sorry. It's a highway.